Good morning, my people. Good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching me from. It's another good day. It's another morning in this place. As you can see, we are enjoying the rain for the first time this year. Enjoying the rain, the year 2024. We don't receive rains at this place easily, but it has been a blessing. The rain started yesterday, and even if it rains very, very minimal rain, just the small rain that which is not much, which is little. But yesterday something happened unexpected. It started around 5 in the evening, 5 p.m. to be precise. It rained for some time, then it stopped, and again at around 10 the rain was there. That rained continuously to around 4 in this morning. So it has been a blessing. This is what you don't normally see in this place. Water, rain. It is the first rain in the year 2024. As you can see, there's water everywhere now. There's water, which we call it stagnant water, which the rain rained throughout the night. This is water, my people. As you can see, this is water. It is cold here now. You can see this place is dry, and when you see the place is dry, what do you expect? Minimal rains. What do you expect? No plants as much. The plants which are there are very small plants. Unless the plants which are there are watered, are taken care of, that is what you can see. So seeing this is a blessing in a way, but to other people it makes other things not work well, because some roads you get that they are down, they are underpass, so when the water collects themselves, they go to that place and they heap there. So it's like a curse, or it is not good for them, for their transport. So here some are enjoying, everything is cool, everything is nice. Yeah, water. The temperatures just normal, everything nice. Yeah, those are the things. Other places means the blessing of rain. Others, they receive too much until they complain, oh, we have floods. Others have never seen this. Others are experiencing this for the first time. It is like a surprise to them. It's like a surprise. So things are okay. Things are working out. God is a God who does everything for all. Doesn't care where you come from. He cares for each and every person. When it rains for all, no matter what. It rains for all people. So to me, to be on this part where we don't see rains all the time, it's a blessing. And now, for example, in Africa, there's too much rain. People wonder, hey, what is this? And here in this part of this, the Asian part or Arabic part, they don't receive much rain. It comes once or twice, very small, but yesterday was much, and it's good for that. As you can see, you can tell there's rain on this place. It's much water. So I'm showing you round. Round. Yeah. It is good that you have seen this. Subscribe to my channel. The Asset 4 is my channel. Support, comment, share, like. Let's support our brother to support our brother. That's my wish, and that is my hope, that by subscribing to my channel and watching, we are keeping on. You are motivating, and will motivate others also to do the same. Thank you. Be blessed.